Hello, this is Brittany down here at Subaru Puyallup. Just want to showcase how to install a front-facing booster seat in the 22 Crosstrek. Okay, so here is the forward-facing booster seat. So we're going to go ahead and tie it down. There's going to be the 2 points. First one is going to be the lap belt that is located in the back. You just want to feed it through right here and go ahead and secure it, just like that. Pull it tight so it's secure. Now we're going to go ahead and show the second point in the back. So that is going to be how you install a front-facing booster seat in the 22 Crosstrek. If you have any additional questions, visit us at 720 River Road or SubaruPuyallup.com.